All right, so we are up here on the roof with the Tesla solar roof tile installation. You can see we've got one tile here. This is not an active tile. Looks like they're just placing it to see what it's going to look like and feel like up here. But you can see you've got all these little module holders rather, and these guys are already nailed in with roofing nails, just very standard stuff. And it's got this kind of almost hook and loop structure on the top there. And the reason that's effective is that under each roof tile, that one's actually already stuck on so well I can't pull it off. I've got some dummy ones over here, but you can see under each roof tile, this one's been cut. It's got this hook and loop structure here, and so when they install it, they clip them on with the C-clips up here to these little holders here. So the C clamp will clip on here, right on this little bar, and then the top of the joining panel will actually hook and loop onto that. So it's a pretty solid setup. And then, as you can tell from these, where the panels come up to an edge, they just cut a blank tile. So this is just a glass tile, and they cut it like that so that it fits, anchor it in, and you've got your roof. So it looks like here, they're already starting at the bottom. So they've got that bottom row in, and they're just gonna work their way up and get these things all wired in. So pretty neat to see this thing starting to come together here on the Tesla solar roof tile installation.